Hey,
Hi,
what's your name, madam?
I'm Varsha Solanki.
Hi, Varsha. What is this beautiful stuff you have here? I can see a
All
whole
of us
range
would
of stuff around. Can
All
you
of
explain
us
to
would
me?
have heard the rhyme like Baba Baba Black Sheep, but I don't think so. We see black sheep around, but this is the wool from black sheep.
So,
Which is,
you seems to be having created a good diary of what all you've been doing so far. Can you walk us through this a
yeah,
bit?
so this is actually my field diary. It's my journey with the community Kurubas, and like it says Dakni Diaries. So it is also about the relationship they share with the animal, which is beyond a human animal relationship. It's more on an emotional level, and I was trying to understand that where does the craft part comes in when you say about the shepherd and their profession. So that's what I have maintained a diary, which is about my experience of being in the community as an outsider, and how it takes time to become a participant, then an observer.
So, is he a shepherd here?
Yeah, so he's a very famous shepherd called Neelkant Mamaji.
Okay, why is he famous?
So he's the old hat. Like he has traveled to a lot of conferences on pastoralism, even in Kenya and UK and all that. And he talks about how nomadism is really good for environment, and how we need to save this nomadic profession, which is about rearing sheep and how it is connected to climate, soil, and that's about it. Like he talks about all that. So yeah.
It's a very detailed diary you have maintained and beautifully written.
Yeah, it kind of helped me in document it in a more personal way, and more like as an
So show us
outsider.
something quickly which is the most fascinating part of your
Diary?
discovery in your diary, what you captured.
I think this one.
What is this?
So he is the last felter I met in the North Karnataka region, and he's 90 years old. And when I met him, and when I understood that there's like,
What is the filter? How
so felting is a technique of binding wool and making a fabric, other than weaving it or knitting it. Like we see a lot of UK people are involved in felting, but
this is his hair?
yeah, and he has like a long hair, so I think that was my inspiration to.
That's what is making your hair also go like that.
That was my inspiration to revive felting in that
Felting.
in that region. Yeah, I think this was the most fascinating thing.
Thank you. Very